Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to edit raw photos in RawTherapee from start to finish. If you're new to raw photo editing, don't worry, just follow these simple steps. Let's get started. First, open RawTherapee on your Windows PC or laptop. When the program opens, use the *file browser * on the left side to navigate to the folder that contains your raw photos. You'll see thumbnail previews of all your images. Now double-click the raw photo you want to edit. The image will open in the *editor * tab, where you'll find all the editing tools on the right side of the screen. Start by adjusting the * exposure * to brighten or darken the image. Next, correct the * white balance * so the colors look natural and accurate. You can then fine-tune **, highlights **, shadows **, contrast **, and black levels ** to recover details and improve the overall look of the photo. If your image needs more color, increase the *vibrance ** or saturation slightly. For a sharper image, use the ** detail ** section to apply sharpening *, but avoid overdoing it to keep the photo looking natural. You can also crop the image, straighten the horizon, or reduce noise if the photo was taken in low light. Since RawTherapee uses ** non-destructive editing *, your original RAW file always remains untouched, so you can experiment freely without losing image quality. When you're satisfied with the result, click *save * or add the photo to the * processing queue *, then export it as a JPEG *PNG or TIFF file, and that's it. You've successfully edited a raw photo in RawTherapee. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.